Hey guys, it's Ellie Girl 1016 here, and I just got a package in the mail. Here it is. Now I'm going to open it. Woo! Here's the package, and it contains an LPS that I bought off of eBay. Here's the LPS. It's number 2210. And she's really cute. She's this little collie. Russell, why you meowing? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more. Bye!